let's take a look around here at the Good Guys show. I'm not going to talk a lot, just look around. Hey, look, it's a Disco El Camino. There's quite a bit going on. It's definitely smaller than it has been in the past, but nice to see things going again after everything being shut down last year. Pontiac. Cars, trucks everywhere. Whatever is your style or taste, you'll probably find it at a Good Guys show. This runs for 3 days. It runs today, Saturday, and Sunday. And they have them all over the place, all over the country, so this is our local one here in Puyallup, Washington. A big block Chev action. Take a walk down another row here. Churro. Seeing all kinds of stuff here. That's a little wagon. Feel like it's the 1960s. still the same Good Guys show, just a different location.
That's true, too. And I only know that because I'm one of the ones standing up.
Now off in the distance. Paula. Chevy pickup. What we got here? Roadrunner. Oh, Super B. For your Mopar guys. Let's take a walk up here and see what we see. Looks like we got a couple of gassers. Got a neat old cab over. With, something on the back there. Quarter midget or something. Let's put that there. Chevy wagon. Roll of stuff. Zoom in here and see what we got. Hideaway Buick Revy. I like these. What does it have? 65, I think. 64. Correct me in the comments if you would. Fire truck. A little bit of everything. Big old Dodge. Monaco. Alright, well, we'll walk down over here and see what else we see. So this is that midget that's on the back of that cab over that we saw a little while ago. It's pretty cool. V8 60 flathead in it. Solar. It's pretty badass. Bet it moves out. Pretty neat cab over too. So here's what I want, guys. I want a 75 to 79 Nova, but I want a 4-door. And I don't care about the interior and I don't care about the engine. But I'm looking for a not rotted out one of these. I call them Disco Novas. And I'll find one eventually to put together. But they're out there. Most of them have been crushed, unfortunately. This one's pretty nice. All kinds of stuff. Volkswagen, square body, Bronco over there. That's an old Ramsey winch. Hey, if anybody knows what that motor is, write it in the comments. I'm not sure what it is. Never seen nothing like that. Almost looks overhead cam, but I'm not sure. I thought the only ones that made overhead cam back then was Pontiac, but that says Jeep on the valve cover, so pretty cool. Okay, so I looked a little closer. Here it is, a Tornado overhead cam. So obviously a Jeep thing. Maybe okay. Pretty rare though, 385 or 705 produced. It's a 230 overhead cam. Huh. See something new every day. Interesting. Pretty neat old rig. Boy, that's a narrow passenger seat. There's 4 shifters. So I'm assuming one is for PTO and transfer case in and out and front axle lock. No. Yeah, pretty neat. Only Carlo. There's it out. That's cameo. Real nice blazer. So yeah, there's cars as far as the eye can see. That's a good thing about good guys, is the broad variety. And I hear that they've moved the age limit up to like 1987. So newer and newer stuff coming in all the time. Hopefully the hobby holds out. Not too many young people in it. They're more interested in video games and such. But you can't force them. So if you're going to go to a car show, make sure you take a kid with you. Maybe you can get them into this stuff. We'll walk around another area we haven't seen and see what we see. So here's something a little bit different for you green folks that are into environmental friendly stuff. Common idea that's electric. Really nice conversion to electric. I walked over here to look at the motor. Never really paid attention to these, and here it is, electric. Surprise, surprise. But very well done swap over. Nice car. Pretty neat. here's something a little interesting. This is a 61 Metropolitan with a 22R swap. A little Toyota action in there, guys. It's awesome. Love it. Perfect motor for that. There you go. Now all you Dodge guys can be in heaven. There's even a van Dodge. I love to pick on the Mopar guys, but somebody has to. What do we got here? 57.